In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a group in Notion. Renaming groups is really useful for keeping your workspace organized, especially as teams change, projects evolve, or you simply want clearer labels for who's who. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through each click so you can confidently update any group name in your Notion workspace. First, make sure you're logged into your Notion account and that you're in the correct workspace where the group you want to rename exists. You'll also need the right permissions, usually as an admin or workspace owner, to manage groups. If you don't see some of the options I mentioned, it may be a permissions issue, so you can check with whoever manages your workspace. Let's start at the top of Notion. Look for the settings area, usually represented by a settings option in the sidebar or under your workspace menu. Go ahead and click on Settings. This is where you manage all the main configuration options for your workspace, including members, security, and groups. Once the settings panel is open, you'll see several sections. Find and click on the section labeled People. This is where Notion lists everyone in your workspace along with any groups they belong to. The People section is essentially your central hub for managing access and organization of users. Inside the People area, look for the part that specifically mentions groups. Click on Group or the Groups subsection. Here, you should see a list of all the groups that exist in your workspace, such as teams, departments, or permission groups you've set up. Next, locate the specific group you want to rename. On the right side of that group's row, you'll see an icon with 3 vertical dots, sometimes called the More Options menu. Click on these 3 dots. This menu holds additional actions you can perform on that group, like editing or managing it. From the menu that appears, select Rename. A text field will open up, allowing you to type in the new name for your group. Enter a clear descriptive name that makes sense for everyone using the workspace. When you're happy with it, confirm the change, usually by pressing Enter or clicking outside the field. That's all.